Hello everyone, another unscripted, unthought about how to. This time it's about Jamboard. Jamboard's in your waffle. There it is there. And it is a whiteboard, basically. Lisa Morgan had a question for me, and the question was how to change the background. So I've had to find out myself, and it's really quite easy. All you need to do is go down to add image, which is on the left-hand side, and then pull in the image that you've created. So what I've done is I have created a screenshot and tidied it up from Lisa's image that she sent, and then made a picture, put that picture on my drive, and now all we do is scale it and move it appropriately for the page. It is important, as you can see, it is important to make and then once you've scaled it however you want, just click on the side. That menu the outlining goes away. It's important, in fact, it's important all around with this content that we're creating to be shown online, is to make it in landscape because your screen's landscape. So that's an important thing you must do. So then you can just select the pen and, draw and add a sticky note. You can add things and move them around and do all sorts of things as you would normally on a whiteboard. So that's a very, very quick how-to of how to change the background on a Jamboard so you can subsequently edit it. I thank you.